Welcome to a futuristic digital metaverse, SedraX, where nature is seamlessly blended with artificial intelligence to create a dynamic and immersive world. Set against a backdrop of a post-apocalyptic future, SedraX offers a hopeful vision of renewal and unity after the catastrophic Grand War. The versatile digital assets that drive interaction and innovation within this vibrant ecosystem are custom token assets, CTAs. CTAs come in various forms. For instance, AI vehicles, known as V-CTAs, are high-tech rides enabling exploration across diverse landscapes. The marketplace, or MCTA, is a bustling trading hub where users can buy, sell, and explore virtual assets. SedraX's ecosystem is further supported by Sedra Hub, a collaborative platform for sharing ideas, developing technologies, and building the metaverse. In essence, SedraX and CTAs represent a groundbreaking approach to digital ownership and interaction, promising a future where creativity and technology merge seamlessly in an ever-evolving metaverse.